another video, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Jeanneau and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see the Jeanneau DB 43. Let's get into the video. First of all, I have to tell you that I'll be uploading more videos from boat shows because I see you really like them, and I'll be paying for the travel expenses myself. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and help you girl reach 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Going back to the boat, the Jeanneau DB 43 is 13 meters long and 382 meters beam. This one in particular comes with two Volvo engines, 380 horsepower. For the outboard lovers out there, I have good news because there is also an outboard version. Here we have to highlight, of course, those two incredible side platforms that give the boat a very unique space to enjoy the sea. They open and close using a button. Let's move on to the cockpit/sunbath. The back of the seat is tilting, so you can sit facing the table or lie on the sunbath facing the sea. The whole bank can be moved to leave a corridor in between the bank and the piece behind it. Here we have everything we need to enjoy our meals on board: kitchen, grill, fridge, some drawers. Moving on to the pilot station, we have GPS, autopilot, wheel, the engine control, boat thruster, joystick. But one of the particularities of this boat is that it is equipped with Synapse, which is an app that allows you to control a number of details from your smartphone. Now let's go to sunbath and see how easy it is to get there thanks to the amplitude of this corridor. Here we have the sunbath, very nice and comfortable, and with a little cockpit at the end, which is so convenient. That is the hardtop, and it has that hatch that opens to offer you an extra ventilation, which is always nice to have. And now let's go to the cabins. But first, here's the control of the electronics. And finally, we get to the master cabin, and look at how wide and well distributed it is. It also has his own bathroom. Also a second cabin with capacity up to 3 people. Finally, a second toilet. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, like, subscribe, and I see you on the next video.